guys, it's Glenn from glenscarcollection.com, and in this video I'm going to tell you why you need to buy a BMW 1 Series M right now. Remember, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, like and share these videos so our channel can grow, and as always, leave a positive comment below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. The 1 Series M was an instant classic when it came out here in the United States in model year 2011. I remember hearing from a very famous collector saying there were two modern classics. One is the 2005-2006 Ford GT, and the other is the 2011 BMW 1 Series M. Now, since it was only produced in 1 year, it was produced in very small numbers. They produced 740 copies here in the US. BMW owns one of them, so only 739 were ever sold to the public. Most popular color, and I think the most iconic color, is this, Valencia Orange, with 309 copies sold. It was also available in Alpine White and Black Sapphire. Black is actually the rarest color. Now let me give you the stats on the car. It's powered by the N54 twin-turbo inline-six, produces 335 horsepower at 5,800 RPM, 332 foot-pounds of torque at 1,500 RPM. Now, it could produce up to 370 foot-pounds of torque on overboost. It's got a 7,000 RPM redline, and real razor-sharp steering, hydraulic steering, unlike a modern M car that uses electric steering, with 2.4 turns lock-to-lock. It weighs about 3,300 pounds and has a 51.49 weight distribution. Now, when they were brand new, the MSRP base price was $46,000, fully loaded like my car, $54,600. Now, when these cars first came out in model year 2011, I was still driving my E90 M3, and I wanted one of these cars, and the dealers near me were selling them at $30,000 over sticker. So a lot of people did pay way over sticker for these cars. So these cars were never a bargain. I don't think there's somebody out there that bought one of these cars new for under MSRP. They were a rare car, and like I said, this and the Ford GT were modern classics. Just think about it. There's 25,000 E46 M3s, and you see how they're going up in value. There's only 740 1 Series M's. Now, what makes the car so special? Well, I've owned 5 M cars, an E46 M3, Laguna Seca Blue, 6-speed manual sunroof delete coupe, an E90 M3, an Interlagos Blue sedan, sunroof delete, 6-speed manual. I've owned this, obviously the 1 Series M, a Z3 M coupe with the S54 engine, and of course the BMW M2. And all those 5 cars are great cars. I highly recommend all those cars in my videos, but this one is the best one. Well, why? First of all, it's the right size. Everybody says an E46 M3 is the right size, and that's about 175 inches long, similar size to the BMW M2. This car is only 172 inches long, so it's 3 or 4 inches shorter than an E46 M3. It only weighs 3,300 pounds, like I said. It has hydraulic steering, rear-wheel drive, only comes in stick, and as you can see on the roof here, there is no sunroof available. So it's a very visceral car to drive. It's a very fast and powerful car. So Motor Trend, when this car came out in 2011, they put it on the dyno because this car was testing way faster than the 335 horsepower that was advertised. They put it on the dyno, and I believe they got about 325 on the dyno to the wheels. So that shows that this car was certainly underestimated, I'm sure on purpose, by BMW, and it really puts out probably more like 360 or 370 horsepower, and that's why it is so fast for such a little car. Now, these cars are already shooting up in value, and again, they were selling over sticker since new. The person I bought this car from, I'm the second owner, actually got his car for sticker. A deal fell through, presumably over sticker, and he was able to buy it for the $54,000. If you're collecting these cars, I would definitely get Valencia Orange. That's the most iconic color. If you just want to get into a 1M as cheap as possible, then I would go for an Alpine White one. As far as collectability goes and going up in value, I think Valencia Orange is it. You can probably make a case for Black Sapphire as well, since that's the rarest color. Now, a 5,000-mile car sells in the $80,000 to $85,000 range. My car here with about 17,000 miles would sell for $65,000 to $70,000. That's what I was offered when I put all my cars up for sale. And a 50,000-mile car probably sells for about $50,000. I think it's one of the best cars you can buy out there. It's going to go up in value. Remember, this car is not even 10 years old. Cars tend to shoot way up in value when they start to get 10 years old, and especially when they hit 20 and 30 years old. So I think there's a lot of value still left here. I think this will definitely be a $100,000 car in the future. So pick one up right now. Let me know what you think in the comments below.